So dear students, today I will teach you question number 3 from the exercise 2.3 topic polynomials. So first I will read the question number 3. Obtain all other zeros of 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root over 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3. एउटा पोलिनोमियल दिएको छ, यसको दुईटा जिरो अलरेडी दिएको छ, रेस्ट रहेको अर्को दुईटा जिरो हामीले फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने छ. किन यसको चारटा जिरो पाउँछ? बिकज इट हैज डिग्री 4. एट मोस्ट 4 zeros we can obtain. So let's start the solution. Since zeros यो zeros दिएको छ, this means value of x. In previous videos we have found out some questions having alpha and beta, just like it is alpha and it is beta. Therefore x minus alpha, what is the formula? X minus beta are the factors. So x minus alpha is this 5 by 3 and x minus beta is minus, that means minus root 5 over 3, like this. Then it is x minus y, x minus root 5 by 3, here x minus into minus plus root over 5 by 3. So it is the formula of x minus y, x plus y becomes x square minus y square. X plus y, you know better I think this, x minus y or x plus y, formula is x square minus y square. Just like this, x square, it is y, 5 by 3 square. So what we get? X square minus 5 by 3, and previous some cases we have removed this denominator by multiplying throughout 3, so it becomes 3x square minus 5, because if you multiply by 3 here, 3 will be cancelled out, so 3x square minus 5, 3x square minus 5 is a factor of given polynomial. यो जुन छ 3x minus 5 यो given polynomial को एउटा factor हो. So if we have one factors, we can divide by this number getting other factors. So let's divide. 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Factor means division. So 3x square minus 5. How to divide? Already you know this thing. Pick up this first. 3x power 4. This first. 3x square. 3 cancel. X power 4 minus 2 power is square. So we write here x square and multiply here this. So what we get? 3x square minus 5 into x square. 3 power 2 plus 2 power 4 minus 5x square. We shift here plus 3x power 4 minus 5x square. We write below this power is x square minus 5x square. On subtracting, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. This plus minus cancel. This plus 6x cube. It becomes plus 5 minus 2 plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. हम लोगों ने ये पाया और यही डिविडेंड है. ये डिविडेंड हो Again this is divisor, so again pick up this one, 6x cube, and from this 3x square, 3 2 is 6, power 3 power 2, subtraction, after subtracting we get power 1, so write plus 2x, no need to write power 1, so 2x. Again multiply 3x square minus 5 into 2x, 2 3 is 6, x cube minus 2 5 is 10x, so plus 6x cube minus 10x. When we write here below this, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, cancel, this also minus plus cancel, so we have 3x square minus 1. Same process we will do. It is 3x square, it's first 3x square, 3 3 cancel, x is 3 1 is 3, x square cancel this 1, that means plus 1. This one multiplied by this number, we get 3x square minus 5, minus is plus, plus is minus, so easily we can get here 0. In this type of questions, definitely remember we get 0 to get the other factors. Then what we write next? Write down this. Therefore, our polynomial was 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. ये हम लोग को पोलिनोमियल पहले से दिया गया था, and we have got two factors. First is this, first factor हमें यो पायो, यो second factor हो x square plus 2x plus 1. Then now no need to find out this because already it gives two zeros, root over 5 by 3, one positive or negative. We solve this middle term factor. What we do here, it is 1 into last number 1 into 1 we get 1. अब 1 को इसको दूसरा फैक्टर लेने के बीच में आउस 2 आउस 1 factor 1 1 जा 1 into 1 1, and after adding we should get plus 2, plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. So x square plus 2 factors 1 and 1, 1x plus 1x plus 1. हामीले दुईटा पेयर पायो, कमन लिनु पर्यो. कमन कसरी लिनु? In a very easy way we can find out common both x single x. Take x as common from 2x, 1x has taken out, other is x plus x is taken out, it is 1 plus here 1 is common, x plus 1. Again these two things are common, x plus 1 common, getting x plus 1. So these are the factors of x square plus 2x plus 1. And we need 0, find out 0. So x plus 1, other x plus 1 equal to 0. Separately, we write the 0, then either x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. It becomes plus 1 transposing their side, minus 1, same number coming minus 1. So these are the zeros. Other zeros equal to minus 1 or minus 1. That is answer, final answer. So note down this. Then we will do question number 4. Then I will write question number 4 from the same exercise on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder where x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively, find gx. So we find solution this. If any question, divisor there, remainder there, quotient there, so where is that? We write division algorithm. What was that? Write first an easy way. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and dividend is shown as px, divisor was gx, quotient qx, remainder means rx. It was the formula, division algorithm. So it is given here on dividing. In the rough you can understand this. On dividing this x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, this dividing by gx, the quotient, and it is quotient, x minus 2, it is quotient, and remainder, it is remainder is minus 2x plus 4, it is remainder. It is remainder. So we can see here dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. So it was px, it is gx, it is qx, it is rx, remainder. So putting in this formula, we can put here and easily we obtain the answer. Px, what is px? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, it is px equal to gx. So we find out gx into qx, qx is this, x minus 2, gx into qx plus remainder, rx. Rx is, there is one negative sign, so we will make the bracket, 2x plus 4. Then we should find this, we need gx. तो क्या करेंगे, ये मल्टीप्लाई है, it cannot be shifted to the other side because there is positive sign. So what we do, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, this minus 2x plus 4 transposing to left hand side. So this minus becomes plus, 2x plus becomes minus 4 equal to on the right side gx into x minus 2. Next, or x cube minus 3x square. Where are the like terms? Cube is only 1, this is only 1. This plus 1x plus 2x plus 3x minus 4 plus 2 becomes minus 2. Minus 4 plus 2, minus 4 plus 2, we write minus 2 equal to gx into x minus 2. Then to be find out this gx, it is on the right side. This x minus 2 is multiplied right side, coming left side, then it divides this. You divide गर्छ यतापट्टि, राइट पट्टि x minus 2 मल्टिप्लाई छ, यतापट्टि अन्त डिवाइड गर्छ अनि यहाँ डिवाइड करेगा x minus 2 से. अब यो सिंपल डिवीजन है, गर्नु सकिन्छ यो डिवीजन in very easy way. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 dividend this x minus 2. So we pick up first term, here also first term, x cube by x 3 times, x 1 time, power subtracted, 3 minus 1 power 2, we write x square. Then multiply both terms by x square, power 2 power 1, power जोडिन्छ, plus added this minus 2x square, x cube minus 2x square. It is positive becomes minus, minus becomes plus sign, बदलिदिनु पर्यो subtraction गर्दा. This cancel, minus 3 plus 2 minus 1x square plus 3x minus 2. Again we do this first term minus x square, this first term is x, both x, 1x cancel out, we get minus x, it is minus x, and this minus x multiply this term, x minus 2 multiplied by minus x into minus x square minus into minus plus 2x. We will separate here this minus x square plus 2x plus minus, minus becomes plus, cancel, 3 minus 2 1x minus 2, it is plus. So going to last step, this first 1x, it is x, x cancel, we have 1, that means plus 1. So multiply again x minus 2 into 1, we get x minus 2, it is plus, plus becomes minus, minus plus, cancel, getting 0. So clearly we can get 0 because we find out gx. Therefore, gx is equal to, it is answer, x square minus x plus 1, it is answer. So I will explain once again. यो पाइसकेपछि उताको माइनस हुन्छ यता ट्रांसपोज गरिदिनु, माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा, gx is the same type, x minus 2. This is multiplied on the right side. Without this transposing we cannot find out gx. So x minus 2 coming that side by dividing by this equal to gx, and this polynomial divided by this polynomial. So we get 0.